Welcome to the latest update program of Drishti IAS. In this series, the topic of discussion is Russia suspended from UNHRC. Recently, the UN General Assembly suspended Russia from the Human Rights Council. This suspension came as part of the global response to its atrocities in Ukraine. With this, Russia became the second country to have its membership rights stripped at the UN Rights Council. In 2011, Libya was suspended by the Assembly due to the upheaval in the North African country. The UNGA voted on a resolution moved by the United States to suspend Russia from the UNHRC. The resolution was titled Suspension of the Rights of Membership of the Russian Federation in the Human Rights Council. India abstained from the resolution that was adopted in the UN General Assembly on Russia. While 93 members voted in favor of the resolution, 24 were against it, and 58 nations abstained. Now, information about the Human Rights Council. It is an intergovernmental body within the United Nations system. It was created by the UNGA on March 15, 2006. It is responsible for strengthening the promotion and protection of human rights around the world. It addresses and makes recommendations on situations of human rights violations. The Human Rights Council replaced the former UN Commission on Human Rights. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.